Tonight we start talking about a second type of angle within circles that are called inscribed angles and how they affect the arcs of the circles. So an inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is anywhere on the circle. So an example of that would be angle JKL because the vertex of that angle at point K lies on the circle P. The arc that's intercepted, this major arc from J this way to L, I technically need another point to be able to name this major arc. But this is called the intercepted arc, just like it was with central angles. And similarly, we have a relationship between inscribed angles and their intercepted arcs, like we did for central angles, but that relationship is a little bit different. So with central angles, the angle always equaled the intercepted arc, and vice versa, the arc equaled the central angle. With inscribed angles, the inscribed angle is equal to half the intercepted arc. Or in other words, it would take two inscribed angles to equal the intercepted arc. So let's think about that. If the inscribed angle is 50 degrees, it's half the intercepted arc, so the intercepted arc must be 100 degrees. We could also think of that the other way. If the intercepted arc were, let's say, 220 degrees, then we would cut that in half to find the inscribed angle, or half the arc would equal our inscribed angle, or half of 220. So very similar to central angles, but the location means that instead of the ratio or the relationship between the angle and the intercepted arc being exactly the same, now it's half or double depending on what you're looking at first. So please come in with any questions. Remember how to label circles, how to name circles. Remember that an inscribed angle has a vertex on the circle as opposed to a central angle where the vertex is on the center of the circle. And then its relationship with the intercepted arcs that they create. Make sure that you jot down 3 questions, and I will see you guys in class tomorrow.